videos have you watched on Excel?
9.
Nine. Nine of the videos out of 21. So can you give me some examples of the videos you watched?
Uh, Aspen.
Yes, I have the videos on YouTube. There are 21 in total for Microsoft Excel. And you said you've watched nine of them. And I just want to find out from you, what did you learn from the nine videos you watched on the channel?
Um,
Yeah, but
I watched it, but I don't know how to explain it to you.
explain. Benedict, are you sure your sister watched the videos? Dara.
Yes, I watched it. There are some.
Okay, no problem. So Benedict, kindly start the geometrics and share your screen.
Okay.
Yes, then we will go through some of the practice exercises. And this is where we will get to know those who really watched and those who didn't. But it's going to be fun anyway, so don't worry about it. Okay. Okay, you've started it. Okay. So now let's go to Microsoft 365. Now looking at Excel. Okay. Okay. I want us to look at the skill review one as a starter. Start. We will do it in training mode. So select training. So Benedict, you're going to be the teacher here. Then we will be your student.
Me.
Yes. Then I'll just come in when I see that maybe I'm needed to come in. And Dara will be supporting. And Yaba will be the TA for the class. Okay. Loading, 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 loading. Okay. So we have our task. You can hide the, yes. In the annual sales worksheet, use the find and select tool to find the cell in the open spreadsheet that contains conditional formatting and apply a thick outside border. So what is your understanding of this question? And what steps are we required to take to solve this task? Who is going to help us? Dara, Yaba, Benedict.
So from what I understand, in the you go to the find and select tab.
Okay.
It's not a tab, but then it's in the home screen, whatever
the home tab,
yeah,
editing group.
So when you click on the drop down, you get conditional formatting.
Okay.
Yeah.
So now it moves.
So you just click on the conditional formatting.
Okay. Yeah. So now our active cell becomes cell F16. Okay. So how do we apply the thick outside border?
You go to the border here.
Within the font group, I want you to use the terminologies. because you
Yes,
are
within the
specialist.
font.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Then we are
Within the
looking for
font.
thick outside borders. Okay, click outside of any of the cells and let's see what, yeah. So we got it. Yaba, are you okay? I think she's frozen. Or we've lost her. Okay. Okay.
I think he's frozen. Yeah.
Yeah, she's frozen in
Yeah.
time. We will later get her back. Don't worry.
I'm sure maybe she should turn off the camera so that it's the
Yeah,
internet
yeah.
is smoother. Let me
Yeah,
try.
she can. Okay. So you continue, then
Okay. So the next one.
the next one, use the AutoSum tool to get the sum of the values for each cell B through F in the total row. So what do we do, Benedict?
So I think to get a total for an individual column like B, you highlight from the first to the last.
Okay.
And then go to formulas for AutoSum.
Okay. Okay.
So highlight for the first class, go to formulas, AutoSum, and then I think sum,
Okay.
and then you get your sum.
Mm-hmm.
And then to replicate it in each of the next,
Mm-hmm.
I think you also highlight from here to
Mm-hmm.
there, and then okay, this would be you should be able to copy the same function
Uh-huh.
from that you did in the B column to the
Yes.
last column. That's where I'm sticking on. I'm not sure.
Okay. So Dara wants to help. Yes.
Yeah, so after you've worked on this formula, you can double click just select the one we just worked on, and then double click on the format painter, and then apply it to the various.
Format painter. So where is our
Yes.
format painter?
So
Okay.
in the clipboard and
The clipboard group, the paint.
Yes. So
the paintbrush.
The paintbrush. So double click on it. And then apply it to the various cells.
But you need to double click
on the.
You need to select. Okay, let's follow her instruction. Let's see. Mm-hmm.
So double click on the brush.
Okay.
And then double click here.
Mm-hmm. Then
double click.
Is it working?
I don't know how he's doing it.
Because format painter copies the format, not a formula.
Oh, okay.
Aha.
So I don't. Okay.
So deactivate it. So you can do an autofill to copy the formula by positioning the mouse at the bottom right corner of the cell. It turns into a black cross. Now you click, then you drag to your right to copy the formula. Okay. Another way, you can delete everything, hit delete on the keyboard. Delete the first one as well. Now select everything from the total row 16 up to F. B16, click and drag all the way.
As in all the numbers included, or just the total row?
Just the total row. Just click and drag to select. Now go to the AutoSum. You can find it within the editing group, or you go to your formulas, whichever one you decide. Now click on Sum. Boom, automatically in 2 steps. You're done. Is it okay?
Yes. Okay.
Okay, so let's move on to the next. Okay, the next one is she's not back. I will let you know when she's back.
Oh, okay.
Don't worry.
I was just checking.
Okay. So in the review worksheet, use the concatenate function to display the content of cell B4 and A4 separated by a space in cell J4. So have you heard of concatenate function before? Or this is your first time?
Before doing the practice, I've not heard of it before.
Oh, okay. So what do you think this function is used for? What do you use concatenate for?
I think
Yes.
hidden cells or
Hidden cells. No. You use concatenate to join cells together. Okay. So let's say you start working and you get this particular worksheet. We have the last name in a separate column, right? And we have the first name also in a separate column. But your boss wants you to put the last name and the first name into one column. So when that happens, you will need to use what? Concatenate. And the concatenate function will join cells together. And in joining the cells together, we need to separate the first name and the last name, okay, with a space in between. And we need to do that in cell what? J4.
J4.
So how do you quickly navigate to J4? Okay, you can scroll. Now that is J3, J4. Or you can go into the name box, then type J4 and you hit enter, then it moves. And if you want to select an entire range, you use the column and the range, the beginning and the end of the range, then the system will select it for you. Is that okay?
In the name bar.
No, yes, no, we are only selecting J4. So once you hit
but
enter,
I mean you mentioned
the range.
selecting the range. Yeah.
Yes, so
you
let's
can
say
do that in the name bar.
Yes, name box. So you can do, let's say, A4 to G20. Try A4 to G20. A4 through to G20. No, not G for God.
Sorry.
That's fine. That's fine. So A4 through, so the one you did, J20, you see it has selected from A4 to J20. Do you understand? But we only want to select J4. So just put J4 there, you hit enter, then boom, it will move to that cell. And because we are dealing with a function, we need to use what? Concatenate. And where can we go to insert a function? If you want to insert a function, where do you go? It's about formulas. Or you go to, you see, next to the name box, we have fx, the formula bar. When you come down a bit, so we have insert function over there, right?
Yes.
And if you look at the formula bar too, we have fx over there, which is also insert function, right?
Yeah.
Have you seen what I'm talking about? Yes.
Yeah.
So you can hit on the fx over there to do that. Welcome back, Yaba. So now let's search for concatenate. Now you click on go. So the most important thing here is understanding the word function argument. So once you type concatenate, it gives you the name and the meaning, right? So they've written joins several text strings into one text string, right? So that is the use of what? Concatenate. It joins several text strings into one text string. So now you have that at the back of your mind. Now hit on OK. Hit on OK. So we have text one. So text one is asking for an input. And if you look at the question, they want you to join cell what? B4, right?
B4, yeah.
So you can go and click on B4 or you type B4 here. And they said it should be separated by a space, right? So your text two now becomes the space. So you hit the space bar, which will give you the space that you need. Then the text three will become the A4. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So once you hit on OK, we have what? Cain Abel. You hit on OK, and you can now do an autofill, which will populate the first name and the last name into one cell. So if you position your mouse at the bottom right corner and do a drag down, autofill down, do it. Now leave it. So automatically it will join it for you. Have you seen it?
Yeah.
So this is how you use concatenate to join text strings together. But the question did not mandate us to do it for all. So if you do that, we're going to get it wrong. So just delete from Jacob. Okay, undo, that's fine. Perfect. Are we okay with the concatenate function?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. So always try to use a function argument now that you are learning. Then when you become a master of it, you can just type it and put in all the parameters because you know what you are doing. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, next. Yaba, are you okay? Okay, continue. Don't worry, she is there. I can see her. So in the June worksheet, now autofill comes in again. Reset the question. I think you need to resize your window. Yeah. So hit on the maximize restore down button. Okay. Now okay, that's good. No, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah, it's fine. So you can drag it all the way down, expand the corners. Yeah, drag it down. Okay. So now we've talked about autofill, right? So in the June worksheet, use autofill to extend the series starting in the cell A4 to the cell A33. So if it's autofill, you position, then you click and you drag all the way down to cell A33. That's it. So it happens for month, it happens for days of the week. Yes.
There was, I think while I was doing it, they did not the simple way. There was another way, but I've forgotten the way. It would give you options for day or series or something like
fill
that.
Series, yes.
Yes.
So you can undo then. Let me show you that.
Okay.
Undo. Now select all the way, select the entire column all the way down. Okay. So now you go back to home because it's about editing. So we go into the editing group.
Okay, yes.
Then we have fill. So you can fill down. Then we have fill series. So when you go to series, click on fill down and see what's going to happen. So it just copies.
Yeah.
Now go back to the editing group. Fill. Then we've got series. So do you want it in day, in weekday, in month, and the step value is what? 1.
1.
Okay. Now you hit on OK. So at each step, you move 1, 2, 3, 4, but fill it in what? Day. Does that make sense?
Yes. I think the shorter way is better, but I just wanted to refresh.
Yeah. It's good. Yeah. It's good that you see clarification. Dara, are you okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Yaba, are you okay?
No.
You are not okay. Okay. What's the issue?
I didn't see what he was doing.
So you want him to repeat? Okay, Benedict, kindly repeat it for your sister.
Okay, so the first method was highlighting the cell, going to the bottom right corner, and then dragging down to do autofill. That was the first method. And then the second method was highlighting the whole column, going to the editing tab, clicking on fill, clicking on series, and then adjusting it as the question would demand. And this is dates and day. A step value will be 1, so each one will increase by 1. And then clicking on it.
Is it okay?
Yes.
So we use the autofill series to quickly populate a row or a column. So when we have years, when we have months, you can do that. Then let's say you want to, Benedict, go to column F. Okay. Now maybe you can start with, let's say 5. Don't select the enter. Okay. Now the next step value, let's say a difference of 10. So click on the next cell. Click, make it 10. Type 10. Okay. Hit enter. Now select 5 and 10 and go all the way. Yes, use the autofill. So we have a step value of 5. So in increment of 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, in that order. Does that make sense? So if you make it, let's say 1.5, then the next you make it 3.7, you select the 2, then you do the autofill, it will increase in that margin. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Okay, so that's the use of the autofill. Okay, so you can clear that, then we look at the next task. Okay. Yeah, but are you okay?
Yes.
Okay, good. Okay, let's move. So in the June worksheet, apply table style line 4 to the cells A3 through to D34. In the June worksheet, apply table style light 4. So what can we do? How do you apply to the cells A3 through to D34? So how do you quickly select the range? Okay.
D34. And then go to the styles group.
Okay.
Click on the drop down for format as table.
Okay.
And we see the styles here.
Okay.
So it's asking for table style light 4. This is table style light 1, light 2, light 3, light 4.
Perfect. So, that is it. Then okay. So are we okay with this?
Yes.
So in Microsoft Excel, the fact that you have data in rows and columns does not necessarily make it a table until you convert it into a table. Does that make sense?
Yes.
So if you want to reconvert the table into a range, then you select any of the cells within the table. Then you go to the contextual tab. So Benedict, I want us to look at something quickly. So you select any of the cells within the table first. Now go to the contextual tab. You see we have, where is it? Table design, resize table, export. Click on the not export. Convert to range within the tools group. Have you seen the tools group? Yeah. Then you can convert it back to the range. Okay, so if it's a table and you want to convert, no, don't do it. Don't do it. I'll just showing you into a normal range. Then You go to the contextual tab, then you can convert it to range. Does that make sense? So once you convert,
what exactly does the convert to range mean?
That is, you're taking it back to the default, how it was.
Okay.
In just normal rows and columns.
Okay.
But once you convert it to a table, it gives you the filter handle for you to filter the data. You can filter based on what values. Maybe you're looking for numbers greater than, or maybe the maximum. So click on the filter handle. Then you can have number filters. You can filter from smallest to largest. You can filter from largest to smallest. Does that make sense? So when you go to number filters, it gives you another drop down to the right, number filters. Have you seen number filters? So greater than, equals, does not equal to, less than, between, top 10, above average, below average. Okay, so if you have it in a normal range, you will not have these options to get a stat that you want. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So usually when you are doing data analysis, in exploratory data analysis, you need to look at the columns. Okay, what can I infer from these columns? Then you clean your data, then you can do the visualization with a Tableau and what, Power BI. But it all starts with a solid understanding of what? Excel, pivot tables. So when you get to do the Excel expert, you get to understand all of these and make sense of it. Okay?
Okay,
so let's move on to the next task. So we've got another question. In the annual sales worksheet, apply a link to the title Fusion Tomo Inc. that links to the website www.fusiontomo.com. So how do we apply a link to the Fusion Tomo? Yes. Dara, Yaba, what do we do?
Okay, so I think we select the tab in question, the cell in question, sorry.
Okay.
With the Fusion Tomo Inc. And we go to insert. Then the link group. And then insert link.
Okay.
We'll have the option to type the link address.
Okay. So go for it.
www.fusiontomo.com.
Okay.
That's right. Okay.
Hit on okay. Boom, done. Okay, well done. So let's move on to the next. Continue. So in the cell range B16 through to F16, set the style of the cell with the following characteristics. So our number format is equal to currency. So the number format should be currency. The font should be Courier New, and the fill color should be yellow. So we are just applying certain formatting characteristics to the range B16 through to F16. So how do we quickly select that range? Through to F16. Okay, you've selected. Okay, good. So now, Dara, how do we change the number format to currency?
So in the number tab.
Number group?
Sorry.
Okay.
In the number group, you select the
drop down.
The accounting number format.
So yes, currency.
The currency.
Okay. So that is done. Now, where can we find the font? Courier New.
So in the fonts tab,
font group.
Fonts group, sorry.
Uh-huh.
You can search for the Korean new or
okay.
Scroll down. Yeah.
Okay. Now we need a yellow fill.
So beside the border tab.
Okay.
Yeah. So
Yellow fill is there. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Done. Well done. Okay. So let's move on to the next task. Yaba, we can't hear you.
I'm watching.
You are watching. A partial observer.
Yes.
Don't just watch. I want you to participate, okay? Okay. In the product worksheet, change the format of the numbers in cells B8 through to E33 so that no decimal places are showing. Yes. So Yaba, I want you to contribute here. Don't just watch. So what do we do, Yaba? Yes.
I'm not sure.
You're not sure? Okay.
No.
So Dara, will you be able to help a sister?
Yes.
Okay.
So you can place your mouse on B8.
Mm-hmm.
And select Control Shift.
Okay, Control Shift right arrow.
Right. And then down.
Okay. That's too much.
So we'll use Control. Is it Shift? Sorry. So Shift and then right. And then Shift
down.
and down.
Okay, Control Shift. That's good. Okay.
Yeah. And then we'll go to the number
group.
Yes, the number group. And we'll go to the decrease decimal.
Okay. So that's it.
So we'll decrease to the point where there are no decimal.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Done. Well done. Okay. So Yaba, are you learning?
Yes.
Okay, that's good. Okay, so now we need to move on to the next task. Benedict, are you okay?
Yeah, sorry. Is that I thought I saw the decreased decimals in one of the tabs. I'm not sure which one it was.
Oh, it's under the home tab within the number group. That's why.
No, I mean in an open tab itself.
Okay. It's under the home tab.
I'm asking if it's only in the home tab, only in the number tab, or is elsewhere.
Yes, only in the number group.
Okay.
Yeah.
The number group, sorry.
Under the home tab. So who's reading the question?
Okay, change the view to the split screen view.
Okay, so how do we do that? Dara, Yaba, any ideas? Change the view. Change the view. Change the view to split screen.
So in view, you go to the window group, and there's the icon there.
Split.
Split.
Okay. Hit on it. Boom. So it splits the screen, and you can look at various sections of your workbook.
Yeah.
Okay. Hold on. Let's move on to the next task. Merge and align right the content in cell A2 through to D2 in the June worksheet. So how do we merge and align right A2 through to D2?
So we select A2 through to D2, and then in the alignments group, there's the merge icon, merge and center.
Yes.
When you click that, it's merge and center, but we want it to be aligned right. So we click align right.
Okay.
Right.
Okay. Well done. Good. Are you all okay with that?
Yes.
Yes.
Well done.
Okay. Apply the style heading 3 to the title Black Bread Book.
So where do we go? We need to apply the heading style. Where do we go?
Styles group. Again.
Okay.
I think it should be the style. The cell style.
Okay, cell style.
So titles and heading.
Yes.
And heading 3.
That's it. Simple. Okay. Hold on.
Create a new worksheet based on the expense report sample template. So here we need to create a new file. So we go to the file tab, and then new, I guess, and then I think because I've used it before, it's appeared here, but I had to search for it. The expense report template. And
that's it. Good. So what I need from you now is to try and go through together as a team. Yeah?
Okay.
So maybe I'll just end the meeting. I don't know if you have another platform where you can meet, because I have another lesson in the next 7 minutes.
Okay.
So which platform? You work it out.
Okay, we'll work it out.
Okay. If it's Zoom or Google Meet or something, then you can meet and at least try and complete this before you sleep.
Okay.
Because in our next meeting, I'll be testing you on this.
Okay.
And you need to complete this in 50 minutes, all the 58 questions. Okay?
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.